Hey guys, this is NASCAR Naaman. Welcome to my log right now. I want to let you know. Guess what happened to me last night? It was crazy, crazy. I'll show you what happened. Okay. That fan. I found out what's the problem is. You come over here. I had to clean this motor, like, see right there on the side? I had to clean that motor, and it's like, trying to get it work, so like, get it back to work and then maybe fix it again, and trying to get it work, so, everyone told me that like you're a good fixer. I'm like, I'm not a good fixer. Well, I'm gonna let you know this. Let's say my mom was here. Let's say, and she cleaned my old bathroom, and we were like watching the Daytona 500 like all day. Let's say it was a great, amazing race. It was a good time to watch it. I hear my mom has just told me that like probably going to be out here sometime soon because I hear that we're moving to Texas. So hopefully I can get my money. I'll transfer over there and hopefully I can get my own money, and hopefully we can get things, controlled, and then we can work something out, about it. So, right now it's just been overcrowded. Let's say I walk all day. Let's say to across the street, the market, and I had to get like a small pizza. What happened is I burned it, and it was an accident. But it was okay, but not too much. But it was alright. But when I come back, and then I had to go to the Dollar Tree, get some drinks and then 2 sodas and 1 juice. It was crazy. And come back, and I was a lot of pain, and I had to relax for a while. So, right now it's just gonna be hanging out today. We're just gonna watch Good Boys today from my TV, and right now we're just hanging out. So, alright, everyone, we're gonna close my log. So, make subscribe to me if you like this channel or not, and we'll catch you next time, okay?